But Srishti, have you told your dad like what you're looking for?
Yes, and that was a very uncomfortable conversation.
See, I'm thinking like a dad now, That's why I'm asking
Yes.
this question.
Yes. So he was like, क्या चाहिए तुम्हें लड़के में? And I was very लंबा होना चाहिए, फनी होना चाहिए, सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर तो कमाल का. And he's like, शादी करनी है बेटा, शादी करनी है आपको. ये सब बातें बाद में हो जाती हैं. हाँ, ये सब बातें ऐसे बाद में देखो. Then I was like, ठीक है, अब आप देख लीजिए. The weirdest thing that I ended up saying, and I can't believe I said it, was आपके जैसा कोई हो.
Oh, wow.
मतलब. And he got really flattered and I got really weirded out. I was like, what?
That's a great move to just tell your dad that someone as nice as you. So then your dad also has that high standard.
Yeah.
So
like,
he's rejecting boys on your behalf.
Yes. Now he's like, ऐसे अरे गहरे छोटे लड़कों को नहीं हम आने देंगे अब लाइफ में. Like, but आप भी छोटे ही हो पापा, क्या बोल रहे हो? You yourself are also 5'7". What is happening? नहीं अब तो लंबे लड़के ढूंढने जाएंगे तुम्हारे लिए जो सब न्यूयॉर्क में रहते हैं. लाइक बहुत ही गलत जा रहे हैं ट्रैक पे आप. क्या ये इसे म्यूचुअल फंड समझा पाएगा? नहीं, रिजेक्ट. क्या ये इसकी सेविंग्स इन्वेस्टमेंट्स में बदल पाएगा? नहीं, रिजेक्ट.
Uruj, what about you? Where are you at? Last time you were on the show, you were broken up of recent. Where are you at this time, season 2?
I work fast, so I'm in a new relationship again.
That's right.
Yeah, Shrishti's dad would be very happy to have me. He'd be like, oh, this one doesn't waste any time. Just seekho the rest. So, it's been some time. It's been like, I think 9 to 10 months now. This is the longest relationship I've ever been in. But like, this is the first time that I was actually friends with somebody and they were like, just normal, and then now we happen to start dating. So this is new. This is very nice because I think the best version of me is friend version.
Have you shown him your true colors yet?
I have actually. I'm very surprised.
आपने कितना crazy कर लिया है अभी तक?
I'm really shocked. मैंने काफी कर लिया है. सृष्टि आपको मैं बताती हूँ बाद में. मतलब भाई अब तक तो आपको क्यों लगता है 10 महीने से ज्यादा कभी नहीं चला?
Fair.
I think what happens when you're just friends with someone, you're just like मैं ऐसा ही हूँ, understood. But when you're dating someone, you're trying to be the best version of yourself.
I think what we're trying to say is, Srishti, marry your friend, whoever is your friend.
Yeah, none of them deserve me, so I'm like, बाहर से आएगा कोई, अब भगवान ही डालेगा मेरी झोली में.
It's all about first impressions because you're also you don't look for a friend who's tall and funny and who's like your dad.
I wouldn't be like, I can't be your friend because you are tall. You're not tall. Yeah, that's true. Also, I'm friends with my dad, so I don't know where I'm going with this. ये मैंने अपने लिए बहुत खराब कर लिया है. Sorry.
I'm 27F. I have always dreamt of studying at a university in Florence. This year, I finally got enough job experience and funds to pursue my dream. My boyfriend of 4 years, he's 30, told me that he's unwilling to do a long-distance relationship, so I broke up with him. Suddenly, the coronavirus took over the world and I'm still stuck here in Mumbai. Considering the upcoming travel bans, I think I'll be here indefinitely. I want my boyfriend back without seeming like I'm using him. What do I do?
Sounds like a plot of a cringy TikTok video. Like, you know, where they like slap and then they go away and then they hold someone's hand and then they like
Again
fall
come
on
back.
the knee and then they get up and then someone else slaps someone else and they're holding someone's hand. It's too confusing to track, but that's what it is.
There's a lot of slapping on TikTok.
But it's like disciplining. It's not slapping. The word for it is disciplining.
Wow.
It's the Kabir singing of TikTok is what.
I think she's just call him up. Hey, dude, I'm not going. I'm here. So let's get back together again.
But eventually they will be in a long distance relationship again. So
Then break up again.
देख लेंगे ना तभी यार. किसने देखा कल?
I also think that right now she can totally lie. She can say that I have this scholarship because of which they're flying me to Florence with as many face masks that I want, but I chose to stay with you and then fuck him over after 18 months again.
That will be cheating, no? But
That is just vicious for the heck of being vicious. Like,
Man, you
it's
guys are
very
not
mind-
toxic at all. You know, that's the fucking problem.
we are good people, yeah. That's
You know, guys, being good will not get you all anywhere. I'm a good guy because I'm helping her.
By the way, I read recently, I don't remember which country, but the government gave people guidelines saying if you're going to be sexually active, just find someone to get through this lockdown and be responsible. Just pick one
UK.
person. UK?
Yeah.
So I think
UK was. They didn't frame it that way. They said that you can't be sexually active with people who you don't live with. They didn't say, so guys, if you all want to be sexually active,
करेगा ये नहीं करेगा चल बाय दिस इज द कॉन्वर्सेशन
सिर्फ मेरे साथ करना पड़ेगा और किसके साथ नहीं.
I think she has 18 months to convince him to marry her. On the 18th month, go for a honeymoon to Florence and just stay there and say that तू अपनी बीवी को honeymoon पे छोड़ेगा क्या? And he has to be like, I guess I can't leave, so I'll wait here till she's done with her course.
he should do that if he hates her or like she hates him. Like there is no love in this scenario clearly if they are doing this. Also, why 18 months? You are very hopeful. You think 18 months mein there will be no travel ban?
Shit, man. Can I tell you all something? I haven't gone on a proper honeymoon only yet because I'm.
Oh, wishful thinking.
We got married, then we decided that we will go to a couple of European places and stuff. And I was like, let's just go to Thailand for like 5-6 days and let's figure after 7 months. And it's been
so
6
what,
months.
marriage or honeymoon?
Dude, when we went to Thailand on the flight, she was like, "This is the mini moon, right? The word for this is mini moon. It's not the real
Yeah.
thing." And I was like, "Yeah, of course we'll do a better place." So the week after our wedding, we went to Bangalore Comedy Fest because I already booked a show. So that was technically our first honeymoon, and then we went to Bangkok.
Yeah, very distinctly don't go to Bangkok for honeymoon is what everybody has said. in
Like
the
you did your bachelor's trip and honeymoon in the same trip, basically.
world. You'll go to Prague for your bachelor's or what? Like, what is this?
I'll go to Paris with my boys and propose to them.
और मैं Mykonos के islands में मैं bachelor मना रहा हूँ. What?
So I keep avoiding this conversation because
How?
she's like,
You are in lockdown. Where will you go away?
you know, we are on TikTok and then suddenly somebody will show you Netherlands or something on TikTok. And she's like, hey, look, this is Netherlands. And I was like, hey, yaar, pressure cooker किसने बंद किया कि नहीं? And I just run away.
Remember when promises were made? Coming back to Atul sir's point, they should just talk. अगर कॉल नहीं लग रहा है और बस वो कोरोना का 1 मिनट वाला मैसेज सुन के आके कॉल ड्रॉप हो रहा है, so you have your answer.
एक तो तुम लोग यंग लोग हैं ना, always look at the negative, look at the positive things. दोनों में अंदर प्यार still होगा. And
I think he's probably quarantining with his new girlfriend, but हाँ ठीक है, positivity भी होती
हाँ
है.
वो भी हो सकता है.
Dude, what if he bought tickets to Florence also, saying that I'll
Maybe,
surprise
yeah,
her there.
Yeah, देखो.
And now he's stuck in Florence with his new girlfriend, and that relationship is also deteriorating.
And the interval होगा when he's taking a flight from Florence back to India, and the same time she's taking a flight from India to Florence.
That's the interval.
हवा में.
Everyone is unhappy in the interval.
Okay, so let's say she talks to him. Let's figure out how this will work out. Okay, she calls him up and she's like, so I'm not going, and I thought that since I'm here, let's work things out.
So he says you are going at some point, but then she says, yeah, but what are you gonna do till then? We're in a pandemic. And he goes like, good point.
She can be like, you'll find a rebound which might last like 6 months. So why don't I become that rebound for 6 months, and then you find a real rebound after?
Or she calls him and then a woman picks up and she's like, hello? And she's like, Brijesh? His name is Brijesh. She's like, nahi, मैं मोनिका बोल रही हूँ. She's like, मोनिका कौन? It's like, ब्रिजेश की नई गर्लफ्रेंड. पैंडेमिक से exactly पहले मिले हम.
That is the other Bollywood movie. Brijesh and Monica.
That's the other interval, yeah. We have 2 intervals. We only have intervals, no end.
I am a British Indian woman. My live-in boyfriend and I are 24 years old. My sister, who's 29 years old, moved in with us for the pandemic because she lost her job. I think she has the hots for my boyfriend because she won't stop sexually harassing him. She walks around in her underwear and she even spanked him.
Ouch.
Every time we lock the door to get some privacy, she'll knock till we get out. I confront her about it. She asks my boyfriend and he agrees that she's made him uncomfortable. That day she faked a headache when we were in the middle of sex so that we'd stop and nurse her. Okay. That's when I threw her out. Okay. A week later, I saw a message on his phone from one of his mates that said, "It's dynamite that both sisters want to be with you." And my boyfriend, instead of correcting him, sends him a wink. I am now infuriated. What should I do? Wow.
Like imagine how British they are. That friend is
So-
like, it's dynamite.
It's dynamite, mate. Both girls.
भाई दोनों बहन तेरे पीछे धमाकेदार.
Both females. So this is what I do when my cat tries to interrupt my sexy times with someone. I keep my cat in another room and I lock that room until I'm done with my sexy times. And I think that's what she should also do with her sister. Like, who does this?
What is she mad about? Is she asking for advice with her sister?
She was expecting him to say कि वो तुम नहीं मेरी बहन जैसी है. You bastard, how can you say such a thing?
मैं
Yeah.
सिर्फ एक ही औरत के लिए जन्मा हूँ और एक ही औरत के लिए मरूंगा. That's
Correct.
what she
Yeah.
thought he would say. Clearly, he didn't say that.
No, that's not dynamite, mate. मैं एक ही औरत के लिए जन्मा हूँ.
Wingardium Leviosa. Random.
Basically, एक इमोटिकॉन के लिए पहनचोते पूरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुआ. ये problem
Yeah.
हो गया. गलती से वो
इतनी बड़ी
उसका
बात नहीं
thumb.
है.
He was wanting to send a sad thing or something else. गलती से वो दब गया यार. अभी बेचारे को that's an excuse I would give if somebody had why the fuck did you put that winky? ऐसा वो गलती से इतनी मोटे thumbs है गलती से लग गया. हाँ slip हो गया.
He can be like, oh shit, मुझे reading glasses हो गए.
Now we're giving her boyfriend advice on how to deal with it when she confronts him.
Atul, first of all, I just want to say thank you for reaching the correct level of toxicity of this show. We're just waiting for the next two panelists.
She is
But you
showing
know-
all her sister's gussa on that boyfriend, because see, her sister, she got him. She's very romantic andi. She should have very slapped her that time only. दीदी बहन नाइटी पहन के घूम क्या कर रही है तू? ये सब हो गया है. नाउ बेचारे के एक विंक पे उसको बेचारे को she's catching him. That's not fair.
Also, I think she needs to let it go because she's gone through his phone. That's how she's found out about the message.
Do you guys hide your phones from your significant others?
I always had a password not for my wife because I used to work with East India Comedy and Sahil used to fucking go through my phone always. So since then we have a phone. So it's more for Sahil Shah, not for my wife. And since then it's always been there. But we know each other's passwords. Yeah.
Oh my god. Why was he going through your phone?
No, he just fuck around. He used to tweet from my behalf or put some Instagram, all that juvenile fucking stuff. So all the trolls out there, it's all Sahil Shah, not me.
Good one, sir. Good one.
Problematic.
Sahil just took Atul's phone and left the EIC WhatsApp group. And now everyone in the world has that misconception that Atul is not an EIC anymore. That is what has happened. Uruj, do you hide your phone from your partners?
That's weird, dude. Don't you think if I was hiding my phone, the other person would be like, the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Everyone knows my passcode. I'll say it right now on this podcast. I give it to people and I'm like, blah, 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 put it in check.
Can you say your ATM pin instead?
Yeah, it's the same as my passcode. So it's a bad idea.
I don't
Breach of
know.
privacy.
I'm not saying that like people must be doing shady shit, that's why they have passwords on their phones. But like I respect that if my partner has a password on their phone and they have it and I don't know it, it's fine by me.
I had a friend whose boyfriend was never on social media. And like she's not with him anymore, but I was like, dude, he is definitely cheating on you. That's why he's not on social media.
No, Ron.
You तो just हर जगह तेल लेके तैयार है केरोसिन छिड़कने हर चीज पे.
You guys don't think so? You guys don't think so?
Not like to start shit unnecessarily with people's lives. Like it's so random.
Atul, do you agree with me? I feel like Atul agrees with me.
No, I don't agree with you. I think
Shit, man!
No, blanket no.
You're not being agreed with.
But also I have one tip, guys, which my sister gave me. Okay, I just want to share it.
You have a sister?
Yeah, I have an older sister.
Yeah. Duruj.
Like a actual sibling?
Yeah, she came from my mom's vagina.
How did I
Holy
not know
shit!
about this at all? I'm so sorry for digressing entirely.
Shishir and I have two sisters, so just to let you know.
Wow!
Before you get a heart attack or something, even I have two sisters.
My
Oh, can you guys guess if I have siblings?
You people have families? I can't
Can you
believe
can you guys guess if I have siblings?
outrageous to me. You,
You don't
seem
have.
like you don't.
I feel you have one.
That's right. I have an older sister.
Okay.
Older sister. That's right. Dude, she looks like me in a wig.
Shocking! She looks like you in a wig. Can we please see her at some point?
No idea.
Let's get back to our question.
हाँ, please, I'm really
कहाँ चले
sorry.
गए भाई?
I'm so sorry.
Sorry, I wanted to say the tip.
Yeah. Your tip.
Now this is very subjective, so everybody feel free to disagree. But she said all her friends who've had shady boyfriends would do one thing, which is whenever they sit down and they keep their phone on the table, they would always keep it face down. Yes.
This is how you tell if someone is cheating on you.
And she's like, if
Face
you
down.
do that, it's like, she's like, if somebody does this continuously and this is a pattern, then maybe they're shady. Like my boyfriend did it once and I was like, what is happening? Why are
And
you
he
doing this?
and he was like, तेरा birthday आ रहा है, मैं gift खरीद रहा हूँ रोज.
He's like, okay, 1 second, just keep it.
I sit like that with my parents when I'm eating dinner with them. Like that's how my phone is when I don't want my parents to see notifications of messages.
Because you're cheating on them with other parents.
Yeah, you have other parents. You have other parents. That's why you want a man just like your dad. Because you want a new parent.
I am 28, male. My best friend, also a man, and I are roommates. This year we moved into a 3 BHK with a third flatmate who is a woman. I've had crush on her, but I know she's married, so I keep it to myself. My best friend moved back with his family for the lockdown, and now it's just me and her. We were watching TV the other night, and then she told me she lied about her marriage to keep things professional amongst the three of us, and then we hooked up. The next morning, when my mind was free of hormonal captivity, wow, I realized that I have literally seen her FaceTime her husband many times. In fact, I've seen their wedding pictures on her social media. What do I do? Just shut the fuck up and enjoy, man.
Chup kar.
First of all, who is this fucking landlord who is sharing a flat between one woman and two guys here? I mean, देते हैं क्या?
It only
Bandra-
happens in a sitcom in America, not in India.
Absolutely, यार कहाँ होता है? चलो ठीक.
There's a comic, Neil Balthazar. When I went to his house, I realized that he has one roommate who's a girl and one who's a boy. When he was like, the landlord was like, just give me my rent, I don't care.
That's cool. That's
pretty
that's
cool.
really nice. And is this Neil's question?
Yeah, but no,
This
you
is,
got
oh,
the-
this is Neil's question.
Oh, yeah, maybe, yeah.
The only one
Sorry,
who lives
Neil.
like this.
So the problem is he knew he thinks she's married. I mean, I don't know what his problem is. What do I do?
So,
Yeah.
I
So-
don't understand, yeah.
What's the issue?
so according to the law, it is cheating when you have knowledge. So this guy did have knowledge, but also she told him knowledge is false.
Who is suing him for having this much fun?
See, first of all, let me tell you, in lockdown, a lot of things are allowed. Okay, so जो भी lockdown related questions, you have to discount it by 50%. यार लोग मर रहे
I'm
तुझे
agreeing
सेक्स
to
की पड़ी
arranged
है.
marriage. Anything
Yeah,
can
yeah,
happen.
देखो.
Yeah.
Sorry, lots of people are saying, why is she not living with her husband? You think it's because of work, like they live in different...
Yeah, maybe they are
Yeah,
working.
Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
work, maybe they are separated, so this is allowed.
No, I don't think she's separated.
Yeah, if she's separated, why is she FaceTiming him?
Maybe for alimony.
Yeah, she's just FaceTiming saying,
wanna
hey, baby,
remind
check
you."
आ गया. check आ गया. खाना खाया कि नहीं आपने?
This Wi-Fi is being sponsored by you.
I think policing is the landlord's job. The landlord should be like, ये कोई कोठा नहीं है, समझे ना तुम लोग? So he should be coming down.
ये brothel नहीं खोला हमने. Yes.
पर
Should
आजकल
be-
लैंडलॉर्ड को रेंट भी नहीं मिल रहा है. बोला जो करो यार, पैसा खाली रेंट तो है.
Oh, people are saying how to tell if it was not Photoshop.
Who photoshops a FaceTime call, guys?
No, the photographs, the wedding photographs.
It's like, you know how Atul keeps photoshopping himself onto stuff and putting it on Instagram?
Don't get me into this, man.
There's a picture of her and Bradley Cooper, and he's never watched Hangover, so he's like, ये कौन है? Who is this husband of hers?
Very handsome. Why she rent for me if she has him?
But tell me now, what does this mean? When my mind was free of hormonal captivity, that means इसके मतलब थरक उतर गई basically, right?
That's
In
basically
polished
that.
terms, yes, that is what it means.
Shut the fuck up, yaar. You're married.
Yeah, he has
both
done
are-
what he had to
हो
do.
गया
It's
है,
done
हाँ.
now.
I don't think this guy wants our advice. I think he's written in to show off.
Yeah.
He was shocked. Yeah.
The right answer, like how Nirmala Sitharaman asked a long question and just he says, "ठीक है," and goes out.
ठीक है, bro, we got it. Your
ठीक है,
life is
आगे
great.
निकल.
Can you move on, bro?
Everybody wants you.
He's just pissed off because his friend is not there, so he can't be like, "मारेगा कौन सोया आप उनके साथ?" So he's got to tell someone.
So it's already 11, man. It's my sleeping. 12. Fuck. It's midnight.
Oh, I'm sorry, Atul. Atul, do you wanna excuse yourself?
No,
And
it's okay. No.
take a pill or something.
I'm gonna do a binge watching of Hunters. Yeah. So it's till 4. I'm gonna watch Hunters. Yeah.
Oh damn! You can also watch Relationship Advice Season 1 on YouTube.com/Sir Ronak Rajani.
Hello. I can't hear you. Hello. I can't hear you.
Hello, Atul.
My husband and I are married 30 years. We started experimenting with swingers groups with our friends.
Wow.
We've gone thrice, and I always get paired with the same guy, Karan, name changed. Karan is a nice man, but he's probably the least attractive of the group. I suspect the other girls are fixing the results of the key exchange. I tried bringing up how it's unfair, but they keep ignoring me. Okay. My husband too is being complacent and defending me because he too would rather have me sleep with a man that makes him feel secure while he's busy snuggling up to all my friends. What do I do? Now we have a real problem.
Atul, are you Karan or are you the husband?
Dear Honor, can you give me the address, please, for this fingers? That's my question. Good night, guys. Nice meeting you.
It's so
Okay,
funny
so
that
first
you
of all, hold on. First of all the children who don't know, this key exchange, in all these kitty parties, they have something called as a chabi kitty. So what happens, all the people, the husbands, the wives, they come and they keep their car keys in a bowl and they do shuffling, chick, and then every woman has to take the key. So jiska key, uska husband, she has to go and sleep with. These are what the key exchange means, by the way.
Atul, you know
All
too
the-
much.
I know too much.
Why do you know all this?
Because I read it. A friend told me about it. Yeah.
Friend.
I tell you one thing, this Karan guy is a genius because he's coming to the party every time with a new key. Okay? He's like, how do I get them to pick me this time?
Yeah. Actually, the Karan is the smartest guy, right? Yeah.
Dude, Karan is fixing it, not the friends.
Yeah.
Karan wants to sleep with her.
He's maybe getting like 50 all Maruti 800 ke keys with him, like putting it.
She can say no, right?
Have you guys seen that Konkana Sen Sharma and Ranveer Shore movie where they both,
Wake Up
where
Sid.
he decides, sorry, what?
Wake up,
Not
Sid.
Wake
No,
Up
it's not.
Sid.
No, I know it's not.
No, not Wake Up Sid. Shit, I forgot the name. I saw it very recently. Like Mixed Doubles. Okay, someone wrote the
Mixed
name. Great.
Doubles.
It's called Mixed Doubles.
Okay.
And he convinces her, and she's like, "Why we don't have to do this?" And he keeps convincing her. He wears her down, and she says, "You know what? Fine." So then they go to this other couple's house, and he goes to bed with the wife, who is she's very like manic pixie girl, like she's like quirky and fun and cool. Whatever. So he goes with her, and she's with the husband. And the husband is really nice and understanding, and he's like, "Oh, I get it, I understand." But so in the end, basically, the show is that Ranveer Shore hasn't hooked up with the girl because she falls asleep. Because she's so quirky that she falls asleep. And then they don't show us what happens with Konkana and Rajat Kapoor. Rajat Kapoor is in Mixed
Right.
Doubles, yes. So, but in the start, though, she says no. So, from what I know about swinging from that movie, is that of course you can say no if you don't want to do the sex that night. You can always say no.
But here's what I'm saying. Saying it thrice is like there's a social pressure also, right? Like Karan's like, dude, fuck off, yeah. You can't say no to me every time. So Karan also must be like, dude, I came here. I took a fucking loan so I can get a car and get the key to this party. And every time you're saying no to me. Come on, Bindulika.
If her name is Bindulika, then the other husbands are also fixing this. So she goes to Karan each time. They're like, you know what? Can we just pair Karan and Bindulika together? Like, stand.
Yeah, maybe the fixing is happening that men are fixing to not sleep with her.
She should join another swingers club.
Yeah.
Because see, her husband can't swing without her. She's like, if I get Karan again, hum kahin aur ja rahe hain. And then they just go to another
Take your kitty elsewhere. Simple.
Bye.
Guys, I think she should start telling people that Karan and I have heavenly sex. It is the best shit.
Yeah.
Y'all should try it. Fine, you know what? Don't try it. Leave Karan for me like you'll always do. And then they will all start fighting for Karan. So everybody wins.
Yep. And Karan is so grateful. He's like, oh my god, thank you, Bindu Lika. This is the best thing anyone's ever done for me.
Yeah, I think this is a very good ending. Like this is like
Great advice.
this is the climax. Like the interval. No, this is climax.
This is the final scene.
People in the audience who would like to get on chat with us, please raise your hands. Hello.
Hello. Unmute yourself.
Unmute Ranveer.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi, Ranveer.
Ranveer.
How's it
Big
going,
fan
man?
of Rouge.
Hey, thanks, dude.
What about us,
Hey,
fucker?
hey, thanks, dude. Hey, bro,
हमारी
thanks a
कोई
lot,
औकात नहीं
man.
है. Wow.
Thanks,
Hey,
man.
Ranveer. I'm a big fan of Ranveer too. How's it going?
Thanks for the show.
Dude, this guy has no shame. He's still not saying good for Atul and
Arey, but I do follow all of you. Yeah.
He's like, हाँ यार चल नहीं है पसंद तो क्या अभी चल.
अभी तू एडवाइस मांग देखते what आंसर I'll give you. बोल तो सही.
मेरा काफी बकवास क्वेश्चन था.
Ranveer, how old are you, man?
I'm going to turn 20 in like a month.
Oh, cool. And what do you do, bro?
Oh, you're a baby.
I'm doing an economics major in Mumbai.
Okay, Ranveer, what's your question, man? Shoot.
I'm not finding a girlfriend.
Oh.
Wow.
Join
That's the
us.
biggest
I'm
one.
in Shusti's land.
That's the biggest one there, bro.
Just tell your dad you're ready for jeevansathi.com.
Hey,
No.
Ranveer, have you met Shrishti? Shrishti, have you met Ranveer?
He's 20, I'm 27.
Hey, and
I can be a buddy band through this problem.
You tried Tinder, beta?
I've heard it's a very bad place for my friends.
It's quite good. I've tried it, beta. कुछ नहीं होता. ठीक है.
dude, Atul, this joke from you never gets old.
But fucking, it was the truth. I went on Tinder to research when Tinder had recently come out. I told my wife about it, so it was okay. Yeah. And actually, I came up with a 3-minute set to prove to my wife that it was like, yeah, so it's okay. You can go. So first of all, go to your apps, na Tinder vendor पे जा, जो भी है.
It sucks.
This is on you. This is on you. Stop being picky. Stop having such high standards for yourself. Get on an app. You're not too good for every woman that's there. You can. What if you meet?
Yeah, you
what
are
if
in
meet
fact the worst.
Why not? What if you do find someone interesting? What if you do find someone who's not your type, but because of that you realize what you want, and hence it's a clearer light in the direction you're going, bro.
I'm going to download Tinder right now.
First of all, I'll tell you one advice on Tinder is be honest. Don't be चुतियापा मत करना. You know all that metrosexual, heterosexual वो सब मत करना. Just say who you are. Say I'm
Who have you been swiping right on Tinder too?
कुछ भी, but be very honest and don't put some fucking put regular DP. कुछ जैसे don't put some hi-fi DP.
And whatever you do, don't make this face.
हाँ, yeah.
That boys make. Like, what is up with this? It is not attractive.
Yeah,
I do not want to fuck this face. Like, what is it?
What is the screenshot again, Shrishti?
Subtle fuckboy vibe it is.
Atul, why do you know so much about how Tinder works?
If I tell you the truth, you'll fucking laugh. I got a corporate show because of Tinder. So when I can get a corporate show, Ranveer, I'm sure you can find a woman on Tinder. Yeah.
Hello, Naman. Naman, you gotta unmute yourself. This is not your toxic relationship. Oh wow.
Why was this a slow reveal?
Yeah, the light just suddenly came on.
Naman, when I edit this video, I'm gonna put the Undertaker tone when you enter. This is. How's it going, dude? Let's talk about it, man.
Yeah, actually, I'm on a date right now with my girlfriend. So I'm on the Zoom call with you guys, but I'm in a WhatsApp video call with my girlfriend right now.
This is a horrible date.
So she is watching you, and you are watching the show.
No, we both are watching the show and we are on a video call.
Ah, that makes sense. I just thought that she was watching you enjoy a comedy show. That would have been weird.
Can we ask your girlfriend to join so both of y'all can
Yeah,
bring
sure.
in both perspectives? So you have a question, right? Okay, great. Get on. Let's do this.
Hi guys.
Oh, very nice, cute couple. Hello, hi. Let's go. Shoot with your question, guys. Let's do this.
Yeah, what's your question, Aman?
Oh shit, the way you asked him, poor guy. God. He's gone.
Didn't occur to you, huh, that this would happen.
Yeah.
No. So this is a very basic question, which actually happens with a lot of relationships. When you guys talk about long distance relationship, we are in the same city right now, and
Right.
we are in different houses since 2 months.
But who's counting?
Oh!
She's counting.
And the whole question is that how can we survive? Like survive, it's the wrong word, but like how
I'm just looking at Gaura's
His
reaction.
question is how? Just how?
How long distance? I think. Okay, 1 minute.
The answer, can I answer this? The answer is doing exciting dates like this Zoom call right now.
You're on the right track, man. You're doing
yeah.
You're
So
on the
this
right
was
track.
my idea eventually. So yeah, maybe. So yeah, it's like I just want a basic. How can we survive a long distance?
So how to
There might be more of these because we just started our Vima. We are thinking about doing.
He means the lockdown, guys, not the relationship.
Okay, bro, come on, man. So you guys live alone with roommates? What is it?
No, I live in a PG, but I'm here with my relatives right now, and so is he.
Oh, so you can't move in together. I think you all should introduce your families to each other.
My dad's actually really good friends with him.
Yep.
Oh, Naman, you're good friends with your dad. Wait till the dad watches the episode. So the question is, how do you do this long distance despite it being short distance? Which is a question that I'm sure a lot of people have because of the
WhatsApp
lockdown.
video call and Netflix party.
Yep.
We are surviving on technology.
It's kind of new for us as well. So it's like that. How common is this with everyone?
Yeah, because we were frequent, like we used to meet each other every day. Because when we were in college, I used to hang out at his place, and he used to hang out at my place all the time. So now it's like same city, but
This is sad.
Yeah.
yeah.
I think if you just tell this to the police out of sympathy, they'll give you all passes to each other.
They'll drop you.
What if one of you starts working for Amazon? So then you have to make deliveries and then you can start meeting.
So I'm the
We'll meet
delivery boy
this
here,
month.
is it?
Yes. Every day make one
Yeah.
delivery to her house.
And just we fast yourself to her house. Like when the guy shows up, he'll be like, parcel ka? He'll be like, sir, मैं parcel हूँ, मैं आपके पीछे बैठ रहा हूँ और
Yeah.
चलो अभी.
This is also the start of every 90s porn movie that मैं delivery boy हूँ.
I am the present.
I really hope my dad is not watching this.
Oh my god.